everyone, my name is Michelle and I will be your host today with the Pittsburgh Pulse, where we showcase local bands and give you the latest on Pittsburgh music news. Right now I'm at the Connections Cafe with Pipe Wrench. Thanks guys for coming. How are you today?
Good, how's it going?
Good, I'm great, thanks. So I heard your stuff on MySpace and I was a little bit curious about the band in general, so I'm going to ask you some questions. So for starters, how did you come up with your name? Have you had this name from the beginning?
The name came from a high school nickname that this one here acquired from a friend of his that they went to plumbing school together, so hence the name. Pipe Wrench, it just kind of stuck, we liked it, so
seemed pretty metal at the time.
We became Pipe Wrench.
So did you ever think of any other names, or this one was
of course, we had a good time trying to figure out names. Most of them we can't say on TV. So.
So when exactly was the beginning? How did you guys meet, and when did you start playing music together?
Well, us three here are brothers, so we've known each other forever. And then Kevin here on the end, he just joined the band about 2 months ago. We had a falling out with a previous member, so he kind of, was asking us if we could come out and jam. And
he's been to a bunch of shows before.
Yeah, he was, curious about the music, and we were like, right on, man, right on.
Very nice. So what inspired you to make music together?
We just always had a connection with music, especially
metal.
And
well, you like New Kids on the Block.
That's right. So what are your respective roles in the band, and who writes the songs? Who comes up with that stuff?
Usually it's a collective effort, and we'll just take guitar riffs and bounce them back and forth off of each other and just kind of meld together and bring them to practice, usually as whole songs. Sometimes we take riffs from songs that, we're in the process and kind of put them together that way. But usually all of us together write the songs.
He doesn't play the same thing twice. I don't think any of us really do. We just kind of jam. We just love to play.
Very nice.
Right?
It's just nothing better.
Nice. So what are some of the messages in your songs? What are the listeners going to take out of what you play?
Just look at the world around you. People
just with previous experiences with not everybody in general, but certain people that we kind of focus our latest couple of tunes. Yeah,
that's mostly just like our newer stuff. Like our older stuff, we just find a random topic and just start.
We used to write heavy metal love songs.
It happens.
Okay.
I just love songs.
So what genre do you consider yourself in? Like, do you characterize?
Metal jelly, definitely.
Can you explain?
Metal plus jamming, just random jamming equals metal jelly. Cause
we're like a metal jam band, Put it together.
Blind Melon played metal, that'd be us kind of, They're a jam band, but they don't play.
They're not very metal though. And the singer's dead.
So who are some of your influences? What bands inspire you, people, things in general?
Well, recently,
Frank
Floyd.
Sinatra's pretty cool.
Who? Sinatra? I like Sinatra.
He's got his moments.
So do you play any covers of any of the bands that you enjoy, or is it mostly
not
just your
usually.
Stuff? Okay.
We do a Rob Zombie cover or White Zombie, I should say, because we're big fans of Zombie and his art. But other than that, not really, man. We like to write our own original stuff.
Right.
Covers are cool. People know to sing along with them or whatever, but it's been done a million times.
Yeah, we just want to play our own thing,
Right.
Just do what we want to play. Just whatever, Just us.
So what has been the biggest challenge as a band, and how have you overcame that?
Money.
Yeah.
Because it gets expensive, man, buying equipment and going out and playing shows, and people don't buy your merchandise, and
trying to get merchandise.
Yeah, just getting merchandise is not easy to do.
My biggest challenge is the sacrifices of every Friday and Saturday and
Right.
Sunday.
So do you have any advice for people trying to start a band or bands in general?
Work hard, man.
Work
Get
hard.
an idea, be
Practice
focused.
every day. Every
Put your heart into it. Don't sell out.
Very cool. So lastly, we want your fans to access your music. So what's the best place where they can find your stuff?
At this point, it is just MySpace.
Call me.
It's Pipe Wrench Pittsburgh, full spell out. Right now, that's it. But at the same time, we're like getting on radio stations. We're on Radio Ugly, I think, right now, and we sent one into Metalhead Radio. We're gonna be on different podcasts throughout the internet. So
I think we have what, 2 songs on MySpace?
Yeah, there's just 2 on
2
there
songs
right
on the playlist.
The demo that we're making is about 6 songs long right now. So
Nice.
We always give them out free at shows too. So.
All right. Well, thank you very much for coming. Appreciate it. And you heard them. Check out their stuff on MySpace. And thank you. We'll see you again next time for the Pittsburgh Pulse.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The song's called Witch's Brew.
Skeletons look!
Next song's called Persona non grata. last song's called Interfolded Delicatessen.
Peace.